Pre-move it. Yeah, it's crazy how great of a game I played and still was nowhere near perfect. It's just insane. Go with b6. He's trying to cheese me with rook d1, so I'm gonna go queen c8. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna play c4 here. d5, c4 is my idea. It might be bad, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Logical. I'm gonna play rook d8 here. And I'm gonna go for knight f8. That's my idea, at least. We'll see. Now, I could take the pawn and go knight f8. Oh, wait. If I take, is there a trick? I don't see it, so I'm going to take and go knight f8. Kind of hard to judge what's going on here. There shouldn't be a trick, right? Bishop a6, I play bishop b7. Like, if he goes here, I go here. Remove it. Oh, I'm out of apple. No apple. Coffee, good. The freight. Left and go here, bring the knight in. Begin to wonder why I came. I think I'm okay here. I don't really think I'm better, but I don't think I'm really worse either. You all night. Let's see what he does. Okay, he's using all day here. I'm gonna need to press bench. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Yes, I'm gonna need to press Benjamin and end key. Yeah, I mean, I have to ignore chat, but I'm sure chat's gonna have a very unusual reaction to what just happened. Let's take and let's go here. I can't look at chat. Sorry. I mean, I know someone's gonna say something comical, but I apologize. I apologize, you guys. I apologize. Sorry about that. I mean, rook e8 looks fine here. I mean, I can't look at chat, but I know. Yeah, I apologize, you guys. Sorry. I apologize. Goes bishop e5. Wondering about knight g6 here, by the way. Bishop e5 is a good move. I should have played knight g6 first. Wonder if there's a way to trick him. I guess let's go here. Yeah, I could have had this position with a pawn on e2. So stupid by me. I mean, let's go for it anyway. I mean, I'm trusting that I can push P here, basically. Which I can, but is it quick enough? Right, let's just go. I mean, C3, C2 is very fast here. Wait, what is that? That's a actually good move from Benjamin. Oh, shoot. Am I misplaying this? Here, I guess? Here? No, I beat him. There we go. We tricked him. We got the win.